old trips get over thinking about food.
Come on. Tickle time. Oh, that feels good.
You're not going to do tickles?
Oh, look at that.
Oh, you might have
You
one.
want
You
a
might have
food.
one pellet that he missed. Oh, really?
Let's see. Oh, that is so good. Let's go lay down.
No, we're not
I
going
can't
to do
wait.
it. Not until he gets
Oh, I can.
not
You know.
thinking about food. One track mind.
Yeah.
Okay, there you go.
You're gonna take your time? Come on. Oh, that's good. That's good. Look at that. Like it.
Can they take a little
Yeah.
piggy ride?
Look at that.
Figure right.
Take a piggy ride.
No, but Daddy, hold on. I want to see him to do a bad one.
Careful then. Look at where you're walking.
Look at that.
Trip tickle time.
Come on.
Do tickles.
Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickle.
Who's in the house?
And you should have thought how good it is. Oh, I love it. Here, here.
Go do tickle.
Tickle, 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 tickle. You're not tickle today, do you?
We shouldn't have given you treats.
No treats. If you don't let me treat you, this is so small.
Give me the treat first, then you
So
do.
small. See, my
with me.
first time touch them. It's amazing. I told my husband.
Oh, really?
Feeling it. Never touch.
Oh.
Never.
Well, let's go find Abby because
so
he's not going to give up the belly. Abby will give you the belly.
Oh,
She
really?
is so funny.
Is that Abby?
No, Daniel.
Six.
Look at that one.
Who's Abby?
We're gonna find Abby.
But this time we won't give no
That's
treats.
nice. That's caving me, I bet.
Whoa.
That's the man cave.
That's the main cave.
Yep, there's racing on today.
Oh, welcome.
Doc.
Doc, yeah.
That's one of our trucks. Yep.
Hey,
That's the dirty one.
Daddy.
Okay. Now, rather than me to try to open this gate, can you just step over? Show Mom can show you. Yeah. Oh yeah, they won't. Okay.
So cute.
Now can you go over?
Listen what Chris is saying.
Okay. Now Dottie, this is Dottie here. This is Abby. Yeah, squat down. You gotta be gentle.
Don't
Squat
scare.
down and be quiet. Abby will come up for belly rub. Abby, come here.
But then
They're
maybe
so damn smart. They knew I was giving treats over there.
the years before. That's right.
They knew I gave those pigs treats.
Ah, they saw.
They know what this
Yeah, that's right.
is. See how smart?
So what do you want? Give me the treats first.
Abby, come here.
She has a blue eyes.
Mommy's there now.
Hang on. They know that I gave them.
And because you forgot about
She
them.
is having a fit. Abby, come here. Abby, come. Come here, baby. Come see Mama.
Yeah, I know.
Come on, Abby.
Come here. I want to.
Dottie, stop. Stop. No. This is a tantrum.
Like a kid.
I want food and I want it right now.
Look at
Dottie.
me.
Dottie. No.
Oh, that feels good. Feels good. Daddy. Feels good.
How old is she?
They're about a year old.
A year old like that?
Oh,
Come on, a year old like that?
he is mad.
No, tantrum. No, I'm trying to say it.
You stop it, Dottie.
Dottie, with 1 year like that, Dottie. Can you imagine when it get bigger?
What a big tire.
We're here in a farm in Arcadia, Florida. An hour from where we live. There's a farm. The lady raises mini horses, mini pigs. We came here to spend the day here.
She just was coming here to show you. You don't need to get upset. She didn't forget. Come on, I want a bed.
They just don't give it up, you know.
Give my treat.
You're
Oh,
Dottie.
yeah, she's gonna look.
There.
She's more calm now.
Now, hold still now. She's going to give you a belly. We're calming down now. Hey, Abby.
It's okay.
Dottie's still mad.
There you go.
There's
There's the belly. There's the belly.
Dottie's still mad, right?
She has the softest fur.
Oh, look at that.
I mean, it's
Very
almost
soft.
like fur.
Yeah, very
It is.
soft. Very soft. And to bathe them was just like a baby.
Yeah, yeah.
Normal.
Let me check.
Yeah.
feel it. I can feel it. The fight there. Look at this.
High energy.
Funny.
Eat a bunch of sugar for you? No, we don't eat sugar. That's good. It's natural healthy.
Look at the big one here. I don't know if a boy or girl. Dory's still mad.
Yep.
Dory.
Still pouting. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Calm down, Dottie.
Dory said, like, you know, I just don't like that.
Look at that apple. Look at that apple.
Oh, nice breeze today. Oh my goodness.
I know. Isn't that nice?
And those cows there, Chrissy, that's
Those are neighbors. Neighbors' cows.
nice.
That's a pond right there. They come up and drink the water.
Oh.
They roam the 40 acres. There's 40 acres.
So it's dry.
That apple.
No, there's water in it. It's gonna
Oh.
flow though.
Really? Oh my
Why
goodness.
don't you play
Look
with
at that
the
breeze.
apple, Dottie?
Look at that.
No, it is nice. It is
It's
nice.
wonderful. It's just unbelievable.
Look at that hole.
I know. Yeah, that's their home. Looking like the little tail. You see the tail one different? Yeah. Yeah, see? It's like you. Everybody can do it. Look. You have to be very gentle. They don't like when you run over.
Besides, you're big and scary.
Yeah.
You're so big and they're so little.
They're evil.
You're scary. They think you're scary.
Yeah.
But once they
What they
They
bond,
know.
then they're like a puppy.
I
Yeah,
know.
they like a
Follow you around. They want to
They
sleep
play
with
with you.
Yeah, there's sorrels orange that they go down and get weighed. So we got a lot of trucks going down this road.
That is amazing.
That's the only traffic you have here, right?
Yeah, sometimes we get free oranges when they hit a bump.
Oh, really? Oh, look at that.
Just leave it there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, we got ours. Let's go. Let's go shopping.
Let's